everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty, cheesy, garlic Parmesan pizza rolls, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by making the tomato sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of dried oregano, and a half a teaspoon of dried basil. Mix everything together until well combined, and then heat your sauce up until it becomes warm. After you've heated up your sauce, take it off the heat and set it to the side. Next, shred some mozzarella cheese. Once you have finished preparing your ingredients, you can now assemble your pizza rolls. First, place a wonton wrapper on a cutting board. Then add 1 slice of pepperoni, some mozzarella cheese, about a teaspoon of tomato sauce, and a bit more mozzarella cheese. Next, brush the edges of the wonton wrapper with water. Fold the diagonal end of the wonton wrapper over the filling, then fold the opposite end over that to form this tube shape. And after you've done that, brush the ends with a bit more water. Next, fold the last 2 ends of the wonton wrapper to the center of the pizza roll. Make sure your pizza roll is sealed shut so none of the filling spills out when you fry them. Once you finish folding your pizza roll, it should be a perfect square. Repeat this process until you've made all the pizza rolls that you want, or until you run out of ingredients, whichever comes first. Once you have finished making all of your pizza rolls, you can now begin frying them. Fill a pot or deep fryer with vegetable oil and then heat it up to around 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot, fry your pizza rolls for around 2 to 3 minutes or until they have puffed up and are lightly golden brown. Make sure to cook your pizza rolls in batches so you don't overcrowd the pot or deep fryer. Once your pizza rolls have finished cooking, take them out and place them on a wire rack. Now that you have finished making your pizza rolls, we're going to move on and make the garlic butter. In a bowl, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then mix everything together until well combined. Now that you've finished making the garlic butter, we can move on to the next step. Place the pizza rolls in a bowl and then add the garlic butter and some grated Parmesan cheese. Add as much or as little as you want. Then toss them until they are completely coated. When you're finished, all you have to do is plate it up and enjoy. And this is the finished result. These were so freaking good. They were way better than the store-bought pizza rolls. And dipping them in the leftover sauce makes it even better. These pizza rolls were simple and easy to make, so I totally recommend giving them a try. And just look at this cheese pull. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!